Yo guys, what's up? In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to boost your PC speed. This will increase your PC's performance, increase FPS during games, will shorten your video rendering times, and will also free up a lot of space on your PC. I hope this video helps you out, and if it does, make sure to smash that like button. With that being said, let's get into the video. So first off, hit the Windows key plus R. If that doesn't work, then just search for run. Once you have this panel open, then type the percentage symbol followed by TEMP and another percentage symbol. To make the percentage symbol, just hold shift and press 5. Hit enter or just click on OK, then it takes you to this file explorer where you'll see a lot of .temp folders and files. All these files that you see here are useless. Your PC has used them a few times in the past and now it doesn't need them anymore. So it's perfectly fine to delete all of these files. And to do that, just select all by hitting Ctrl A and press delete. And don't worry, I won't tell you to delete something that your computer needs. After you have deleted the temporary files, go to this PC, then click over here and type Control Panel. Once you're in the Control Panel, click on Uninstall a program. Now just uninstall all the programs that you don't need anymore. Then make sure to clear out your recycle bin. After you have done that, go to this PC, right click on the local disk with the Windows symbol on it and select Properties. Then you want to click on Disk Cleanup and select all of the boxes, then click OK. Afterwards, you want to click on Tools and then Check. It will tell you that you don't need to scan this drive, but just go ahead and scan it. This will make sure that there are no errors in your computer. After the scan is completed, it will tell you if any errors are found. If errors are found, then we'll show you a step-by-step process to fix that error. After you have scanned your computer, right-click on the Windows logo on the bottom left corner of your screen and select Task Manager. Once you're in the Task Manager, select Startup and clear out all startup programs. Startups has got to be the #1 things for slowdown over time, because as time goes on and you'll install new programs, many of them will make themselves startup, and if you don't close them, you will have an ever-increasing number of programs just running in the background and taking up resources. Then go to File Explorer. Once you're in the File Explorer, type Control Panel in this box. Then search for Battery and click on Power Options. Then change your preferred plans from Balanced, which is the default for all computers, to High Performance. After that is done, search for Advanced and click on View Advanced System Settings. Once you are in the System Properties, click on the Settings for Performance. Once you're here, change it from Let Windows to choose what is best from your computer to Adjust for Best Performance. You will see all the boxes get unselected and then just click on Apply. Doing this will make your PC's appearance less appealing, but will significantly increase your PC's performance. So if you want higher performance from your PC, then this is the way to go. But if you're that one person that wants their PC's appearance to look a little better, then you can select Adjust for Best Performance. So that really does it for the video. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. If this video helped you out, then make sure to hit that like button, and if you have not subscribed already, then make sure to smash that subscribe button. And also, if you have any friends that use Windows or have a PC, then make sure to share this video to them because it will really help them out and will also help me out a lot.
Wow. Wow. I don't know who you take me for, ho. I ain't going for it.